So, Monday, October 5th again, continuing with the nautical vibe. This is the Bluejacket Shipcrafters Cape Cod cat boat. It's their larger one. They make two versions of it. And again, this one here is built with individual planks on wooden bulkheads. I just cleaned it off so that there's a little bit of moisture there in the front of the cabin, but the cabin roof is cloth painted white, which is kind of like what a lot of guys did. You put canvas down on your cabin roof, paint it. This is the other side now. Yeah, still quite a bit of crap. This thing has just been sitting out here in the garage collecting dust for, I don't know, 3 years maybe, something like that. After all that, it's funny, I spent all this time building them and then I just, I don't care. In fact, this thing is going to be going to an auction this Wednesday. I think this guy's coming. A lot of the shit that's around here is going to be gone. Mainly because we need, if we ever need to go anywhere, I don't want anyone to deal with all this shit. I don't want to put that on anyone. And it just sits here, doesn't really mean anything. I am kind of proud of these little mast hoops, though. I made those out of wood, which is, there's a secret to that. Oh, look at that. I gotta get that out of there. A bunch of cobwebs. I don't want this thing to look good when those people come to look at it before the auction. But, I mean, it's not gonna look, it's gonna look, like what it is. Something that's been sitting around for a long time. But it was well made to begin with, so maybe it'll qualify as like a precious antique of some sort. These cat boats have, as far as I'm concerned, some of the most beautiful lines of any hull ever made. Very wide. That was their thing. That's what kept them from tipping over, because they had no keel. This was for shallow water use, like around the Cape, and you didn't have a keel, like a lead-weighted keel all that deep that could keep you from getting blown over. So they were really wide. So there it is. That's the cat boat.